Use see when you notice something with your eyes, usually not planned. And use watch when you look at something carefully, usually moving. Number one, I can blink the mountains from my window. Here, the mountains are just there. You notice them. You don't sit and focus on them moving. So the better word is see. I can see the mountains from my window. Number two, let's blank a movie together tonight. A movie is something you sit down and focus on carefully. That's why we say watch. Let's watch a movie together tonight. Number three, did you blink that bird fly past just now? The bird just appeared quickly. You noticed it. So here we need see. Do you see that bird fly past just now? Number four, we like to blink football games on weekends. Football games are something you sit and follow carefully. So the correct word is watch. We like to watch football games on weekends. Number five, I didn't blink her at the party yesterday. At the party, you are just noticing people around you, not staring at them like TV. So we use see. I didn't see her at the party yesterday. Again, see is when your eyes notice, and watch is when you focus carefully. Now you try, make five more questions on your own, write your answers in the comments, and you can also find the answers near the end of this video. By the way, my name is Nelson. I'm a real person, not AI, and I work hard making these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.